starting with the Pantone color of the year, Peach Fuzz, and then taking a cue from Mother Nature and pairing it with yellow. Let's get started. The container, bleached wood box, plastic liner, filled with midnight foam. The flowers, everything from florabundance.com. The Peach Fuzz hued carnation, perfect for the Pantone color of the year. But my favorite, the gerbera daisies. Look at the center with the peach, pairs so well with the yellow. Then preserved and dried materials in that same palette be perfect all together. Placing the gerberas in a linear fashion as they would grow, following a vegetative look, making sure they get down deep into the foam so that they'll drink well. Grouping them, finding the perfect spot, there we go. Then bringing in some dahlias, also perfect for that color, cutting them down, placing them, and creating lines with the flowers. Maybe coming back with another of the gerberas. And repeating. With the lines established, you can even bring gerberas down very, very low, hoping to fill in the base, terracing down, drawing the eye from front to back, then using additional flowers, basing right down at the bottom, covering your mechanics, going both with the peach and with the yellow to carry through the unity. To finish, concealing the mechanics with just a bit of moss, tucking it in, weaving it in between, and then going back. Some of the dried materials, getting the bunny tails, grouping them, cutting them down. Then I use a pick machine to hold them all together. If you don't have one, you could use a wired pick, just setting them down in, maybe a little bit of the ruscus. Tucking it, adding just that much more color to the finished arrangement. The recipe, everything from florabundance.com, used 5 of the fabulous gerbera daisies, 3 dahlias, 10 of the craspedia, and 10 of the carnations, then just a bit of the bunny tails and the ruscus, and a tiny bit of moss to finish it off. Working with the Pantone color Peach Fuzz lends so much opportunity. You'll find more creative inspiration using that color on the website, flowerschool.com. But now it's your turn. Gather your favorite things, pick your color harmony, and create. Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we can see what you do as you do something you love.